No, la, 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 la.
You wouldn't believe what happened to me.
Oh, man. What a terrible day I had.
Huh?
I had to stand up in front of the entire class and give my presentation. And so everyone was laughing at me. I was so mad that they were laughing at my computer freak voice.
What did you tell them?
I stopped talking, faced the class and yelled, "You guys are nothing but a bunch of egotistical, self-absorbed, selfish mother effers. I can't help my speech problems, so go F yourselves." And as I turned to throw my notes through the window, I noticed that I had a milk mustache. The professor asked me to explain my actions to the class. MS audit. Sometimes being a woman pays off big time. So what happened to you today?
I found a Smartie that was red on one side and orange on the other.
Ba, ba, da, ba, ba, da, ba, ba, ba.